Could organic farming solve the world's food problems?
The world's food problem, it's not that there isn't enough food, it's the fact that the problem lies within the distribution of food. And where there are food problems, I mean, arguably you could say that there are food problems in this country with obesity and so on, but generally the problems where there isn't enough food tends to be in poorer countries, developing countries. So it is much more sustainable to have farmers using nature as a way of building their fertility and controlling their pests than getting them dependent on expensive pesticide and other chemicals. And what happened in India during the Green Revolution was that, chemical companies, marketed their produce at these poor, poverty-stricken farmers, promising them increased yields. But actually what happened was they then got locked into this cycle of dependence on chemicals, and they couldn't afford to buy them, and then they couldn't afford to feed their families and send their children to school. So it is a much more sustainable way of farming to use natural methods. And certainly what's happening in Ethiopia, the poster boy of poverty and famine, is that the agricultural minister is encouraging farmers to use organic methods because they see that as the most important, surefire way to feed their population.